The television show iCarly captivated millions with its unique blend of humor, creativity, and interactivity. It inspired self-expression and digital literacy among its viewers, creating a sense of community. The show's success was driven by its engaging storylines, quirky humor, and diverse character dynamics. Understanding these elements is crucial when creating a website that captures the essence of iCarly. To create a website inspired by iCarly, start by selecting a user-friendly platform like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. These platforms offer the flexibility needed to design a site that reflects iCarly's lively aesthetic. Incorporate vibrant colors, playful graphics, and interactive features to engage your audience and create a dynamic online presence. Design your website with a focus on user-friendly navigation and a professional layout. This enhances user experience and builds trust. Choose a platform that offers customizable templates and supports multimedia content. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly and loads quickly to keep visitors engaged. Use clear calls to action to guide users through your site. Incorporate interactive elements like discussion boards, polls, and comment sections to engage users. Encourage user-generated content by hosting contests and featuring fan submissions. Use forums to foster community discussions and create a sense of belonging. These features will help replicate the interactive spirit of iCarly and keep your audience engaged. Multimedia is key to capturing iCarly's vibrant essence. Host videos on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo and embed them on your site. Use high-quality images, animations, and infographics to enhance visual appeal. Optimize multimedia for fast loading times and ensure all content is accessible on mobile devices to maintain user engagement. Develop a content strategy that includes a mix of videos, blogs, and interactive elements. Plan regular uploads and use tools like Trello to manage your content calendar. Engage your audience with seasonal themes and user-generated content. Monitor engagement metrics to refine your strategy and ensure your content remains relevant and engaging. Create authentic and relatable content to connect with your audience. Encourage participation through challenges, feedback mechanisms, and live events. Use social media to promote interaction and build a community. By understanding your audience's interests and needs, you can create content that resonates and fosters a loyal following. Explore various monetization strategies such as display advertising, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts and use affiliate marketing to generate revenue. Set up an online store for branded merchandise and promote it through social media. These strategies can help sustain your website financially. Building a website like iCarly involves creativity, interactivity, and a strong community focus. By incorporating dynamic multimedia content and engaging features, you can create an online platform that captures the excitement of iCarly. Prioritize user engagement and continuously adapt your strategy to maintain a vibrant and successful website.